Hello everyone, I am Liam and today I'm going to be going through this lovely Eduqas past paper from summer 2022. This is paper 1 non-calculator. So the first question that we've got here is calculate each of the following. So the first one is 3 times 400. So we know what 3 times 4 is, that should be 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. And then we times by 10. And then we times by another 10. So 1200. And that is 1 mark. Next one. 600 divided by 1000. So 600. And we can imagine a decimal place here on the end. And if we're dividing by 1000, the decimal place moves 3 places to the left. So if we move it 3 places, it ends up being here. And we can put a 0 at the beginning. 0.6 should be your answer. Next up, we've got 10 plus 4 times 3. Now for this question, we need to use BIDMAS. And so therefore, using BIDMAS, we do 4 times 3 first, which is 12. So 4 times 3 is 12, and then we've got 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12 equals 22. That gets us the mark. Moving slightly further down, we have 6 minus negative 7. Now we have here a double negative. So this double negative turns to a positive. So we have 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. And that is the answer to our question. Next up then, question B, we have 11/25 as a percentage. So if we're to do that, we have 11/25. And I'll show you 2 ways to do this. So I'll draw a little line here. 2 ways to do this. 11/25. Percent means out of 100. So we need our denominator to be over 100. Now what do we times 25 by to get to 100? Well, it's 4. So we times by 4. And whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So therefore, we've got to do 11 times 4 to give us 44 hundredths, or 44%. The other way of doing it is we have our 11/25, and we ask, what do we get if we do 100 divided by 25? Well, the answer is 4. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So then we times 11 by 4 to give us the 44%. And that's our answer. So the next one, 87% as a decimal. So to go from a percentage to a decimal, we have to divide by 100. So we have to do 87 divided by 100. Now again, we can imagine our decimal place at the end of 87. And dividing by 100, we move it 2 places to the left, to here. So 87 divided by 100 is 0.87. And finally, for question 1, write down the value of the square root of 49. Square root of 49 is going to be 7. If you are unsure of this, you can write out 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 2. 2 squared is 4, sorry. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. And 7 squared equals 49. So we've got our square number, and we're doing the opposite of what we're doing here. So we're doing the opposite of squaring to find the number that we square to get the 49. So square root of 49 equals 7. So that's question 1. What I will do is, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be uploading each question to this paper one by one. So for any question that you want the answer to, just click on the playlist and select the question you would like. See you soon.